I'm getting ready to fire up the grill for the first time. I'm hoping it doesn't rain on me. I'm not going to use the charcoal side today. To do the charcoal and also to do the firebox, you have to build a fire and basically let it season itself for 2 to 3 hours. I'm not going to do that today because it does look like it's going to rain and I don't want to have to leave this out in the rain. So I'm going to open up our nice pretty clean side, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the burners to make sure they're burning evenly, and if not, adjust the tilt of the grill. Take the heat shields out, the grates, and fire one up. Okay, flames look pretty good, so I'm going to turn them off for right now. Put the heat shields back in. Put the grates back in. What I like to do for the first time when I grill is take a cloth. You can wrap it really tight. I make a little roll as tight as possible. A pair of tongs. And I take simple vegetable oil. I pour vegetable oil on the cloth. And I rub the grate. Get a nice oil coating all around it, on every grate. And I fire this puppy up. I'm going to put it on about 75% heat. Close the door, let it heat up, let it stay hot for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to put steaks on it for the first time. Stay tuned. Alright, just within 5 minutes this thing got very, very hot. So I've turned down the temperature to the low setting. Definitely have to be careful when you're opening this up because there's a blast of heat. I'm going to let it cool down just a little bit before we throw the steaks on. Alright, we have the temperature at 450 degrees, and in my book I think that's perfect for grilling. So what we're going to do is open this up, and I have a couple of New York strips that I have seasoned, and this is going to be christening our grill. Now, people cook different ways. Some would leave the grill open, turn up the heat a little bit, and let them grill. I do have the internal temperature around 450 degrees. I am going to close it just for a couple of minutes. Let the temperature climb back up. And we will check back on these in a minute. Okay, after about 3 minutes, you'll see that the temperature is back into the 425 to 430 range. We're going to open this up. And we're going to turn the steak. Sorry, let me see if I can keep the camera on this one. I'm going to turn the steak. You notice I'm not flipping the steak, I'm just turning it to get a nice grill mark on the one side. I'll close the lid again, and we're going to wait for probably another 3 to 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, and we will flip them. Alright, it's been about 4 minutes. Open this up. Time to turn them. Look at those grill marks. Okay. We're going to let them sit like this for about 4 minutes. And come back and turn them. Not flip them, just turn them. Okay, it's been another 4 minutes. This is maintaining a pretty good temperature. I haven't adjusted the dials any, and it's climbed back up to about let's say 435. We're going to open this up, and we're going to turn the steaks. And close it one more time. And we're going to come back to this in about 5 minutes and call it done. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I got back up to a 450 degree temperature. Open this up. That one definitely got charred a little bit better than the other one. This one looks good. And now I'm going to take a grill brush and clean this off. Turn off the heat. Definitely brush up while it's still hot. It's normally easier to clean that way. Alright, now that I got them brushed down, I'm going to wait for it to cool and then we will cover it back up. I thought I would go ahead and cut one open and let you look on the inside of it. Good enough to eat.